Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about some holiday gift sets. I filmed this video a while ago and then I deleted it before I could import it to my computer. So I'm filming it again, but it's okay because there are new sets now and whatever. So if you guys want to talk about some holiday, just keep watching. On the Sephora website, there's a spot that says like holiday gift sets. And there's not on the app unless I'm totally blind, which, I mean, like, it's possible. So I'm not going to talk about everything because that's absurd. Oh, this is, I didn't know this was sold at Sephora. This is the Patrick Ta Major Glow on the Go. And this has, oh gosh, what does this have? A body oil and then a lip shine in the shade She's Expensive. I didn't know they sold Patrick Ta at Sephora, to be honest. I've heard of his brand. I know he's a makeup artist, but I didn't know they sold at Sephora. That's cool. That's not anything that I'm really into, but I didn't know they sold that too. Oh, this is new from Bite Beauty, the Creamy Color 4-piece Mini Amuse Bouche Supercharged Lipstick Set. This is a bullet lipstick set, which is, they always do one of these. This one doesn't look like it comes in a little tin. It just comes in a little box, and they always come in a tin. Maybe the lip crayons come in the tin. This one has 4 colors. What are you called? Good Jujube, Ruby Bonbon, Cherry Truffle, and Cocoa Bite. These are really pretty colors. I probably won't buy this. I have a ton of lipstick and the Bite Beauty, because they use food grade ingredients, they have a much shorter shelf life than a lot of other lip products, so I probably won't buy that one, but that's a really popular lip set that I know people always like. And there's a nice, they're neutrals but for like multiple skin tones, so that's really pretty. And you know, a mini lipstick is really all we need. This one I am interested in. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Glossy Posse Mini Gloss Balm Set. Oh my word. This one actually isn't available yet at the time of filming. It's $42. You get 5 mini gloss bomb shades, and the original gloss bomb in, I think it's called Glossy Glow. It's so lovely. It goes with everything. It's really comfortable. It's very like slippy, I guess, but it doesn't slip around on your face. It's not sticky. I really enjoy that color, and I like that it's a mini. So you get the Universal Luminizer in Pretty Please, which is a shimmering fuchsia, Fussy, which is the shimmering pink, Confetti, which is the shimmering iridescent opal, Hot Chocolate, shimmering rich brown, and Cheeky, which is the shimmering bright orange red. Oh my, that's a lot of shimmering. But these colors look beautiful. That one I'm probably going to be into. I'm probably going to want that one. I'm not going to buy this one, but I'm interested in it because I've never tried anything by the brand, and I'm curious about the brand. There's one from Ilia. The Discover Clean Color Set includes a multi-stick in At Last, which is a dusty rose, the Limitless Lash Mascara, the Tinted Lip Conditioner in Forever, which is a mauve color, and then a Liquid Light in Nova, which is a soft gold. I probably won't buy this, but eventually I would like to try this brand, and I think that this is a good way to do it. That's why I love these holiday kits, because you can try a lot from a brand, especially a new to you brand, and they're in a mini usually. So if you don't like the product, it's not a complete waste of time and money. And I like that you can try a bunch of different things from a brand that way. So that one is interesting me. The other one that's interesting me is for the same reason, the one from Lila B, the Luxe Lip Oil Mini Duo. I've never tried anything from Lila B. This is $22 for 2 mini lip products. The colors are Be Elegant, which is the perfect nude, and Be Remarkable, which is the berry wine. I think these colors look beautiful. And like definitely colors that I would wear. I don't know why I'm showing you that. I'm going to put a picture up on the screen. There was where's my favorites? I had a bunch saved in my favorites. Oh, this one from Glow Recipe, the Glow Baby Glow. You get 25 milliliters of the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask, and then 30 milliliters of the Watermelon Plus AHA Glow Sleeping Mask. I really wanted to try these from Glow Recipe for quite a while, and I love, the idea that it's in a mini. And then there's also another glow set from Glow Recipe called Let It Glow, and this has the Watermelon AHA, oh, is that a full size? You get the a 2.7 ounce Watermelon Plus AHA Glow Sleeping Mask, 1 ounce of the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, and 1 ounce of the Watermelon Pink Juice Oil-Free Moisturizer. That is the one I'm probably more interested in. We will see about that. There's one from Belief called the Ho Ho Holiday Kit. I just think of that part in The Office where he's like, you know what I'm thinking about. This has a 1.01 ounce Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser, 0.33 ounce Hungarian Water Essence, 0.17 ounce Moisturizing Eye Balm, 0.33 ounce The True Cream Aqua Balm, and a 0.33 ounce of the Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. I don't think I've tried anything from Belief. People love the Aqua Bomb, especially for oily skin, so that is really what I'm interested in, and then all those other things also sound like nice skincare things to try. This from Tarte, the Chrome for the Holiday set. This has 4 1 gram chrome paint shadow pots in it, and I love the Tarte chrome paint shadow pots, and I love that these are smaller because I will never use an entire, there's just too much product in there. So this has 4 colors in smaller sizes in Citrine, which is a copper, Frosé, the rose gold, Wild at Heart, which is the pink duochrome, and then Pink Diamonds, which is the metallic magenta. These colors are all beautiful. I'm probably going to be getting this. The other one that I'm really interested in is from Laneige. This is the Kiss Me at Midnight set. I love the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This has a full size of the lip sleeping mask and then 2 smaller sizes in mint choco and sweet candy. That sounds lovely to me. I want that one for sure. There's another Laneige kit. It's called the Hydration Dream Team. This has a water sleeping mask, the cream skin toner and moisturizer, the Water Bank moisture cream, and then a smaller of the lip sleeping mask. So I don't need, that many of the lip sleeping mask, but I really enjoy the water sleeping mask. And then trying these other things, especially the eye sleeping mask the eye mask sounds lovely. So I'm really interested in that because I've been considering purchasing the Water Bank moisture cream. I really, really liked that, and I finished that one. There are always Sephora favorites kits, and those are really great options for, especially, divvying up among friends, or, just if you know someone who loves mascara, get them the Lash Stash. If you know someone who loves nude lips, get them the Give Me More Nude Lip, or whatever it's called. So I really do like the Sephora favorites kits. This one, The Next Big Thing, has brands in it that I have never tried that I want to try. So I'm interested in this one. It has the Artist Couture Diamond Lights Finisher in Spotlight Glitz, the Kaja Cheeky Stamp Blendable Blush in Feisty, which I've heard really great things about the Kaja blushes, and I've never tried them, so I thought that would be a good time, and plus in the smaller size. I'm really into that right now. The Milk Cosmetics Lipstick in Old Rose, which is a dusty rose. I've never tried anything from Milk Cosmetics. The Natasha Denona Mini Diamond and Glow Cheek Duo. Never tried anything from Natasha Denona. The Violet Voss Eye Glitter Topper in Dream, which is an opaque rose gold silver shimmer. I've never tried that product. The Farsali Liquid Glass Radiant Serum. I've never tried anything from Farsali, and I've been interested. And then the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Mini. I have tried that, and people love that, so I think mine must be old or something because it doesn't glide onto my skin like everyone else says it should. So those are the ones that I'm interested in from Sephora. Not a ton, and I'm not going to buy all of them because, I'm just not. Let me know what you guys are interested in from Sephora. Either the gift sets or any of the holiday stuff that's coming out. There could be multiple videos on all of the holiday things that are being released. There's a lot of them. But the gift sets are where I really like to focus my attention because, like I said, I do like to try a lot of new products, but in a smaller size, and it just makes more sense economically, especially if I know I'm going to use everything in the kids, or 90% of everything. It makes more sense than buying all of those products individually, obviously. You know what holiday kits you are interested in, and maybe we'll do this again with Ulta. Probably should. Thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.